Welcome to AgriEyes, where we bring you innovative solutions for all your trailer lights needs. Today, we are excited to introduce the AgriEyes T42 magnetic trailer lights with adjustable bracket. AgriEyes T42 magnetic trailer lights come with a unique patent. AgriEyes offers you an exclusive lighting solution that you won't find anywhere else. AgriEyes value customer feedback and strive to meet their expectations. The design of the T42 lights is inspired by extensive customer reviews and suggestions. Whether you prefer magnetic attachment, adhesive mounting, or other installation options, the T42 lights provide multiple installation methods, allowing you to customize them to suit your specific needs. AgriEyes T42 lights are designed with a safety stripe feature that resists accidental drops during usage. The AgriEyes T42 boasts a sleek and modern design that adds a touch of sophistication to your equipment. Its compact size ensures that it seamlessly integrates with the overall aesthetics of your vehicle, without compromising on functionality. Certified to meet SAE Class 1 standards, the AG T42 undergone rigorous testing to ensure compliance with relevant regulations, providing you with peace of mind. Additionally, the T42 is powered by battery without sophisticated wiring process. Upgrade your vehicle today with the AgriEyes T42 magnetic trailer lights with adjustable bracket. Experience unmatched brightness, versatility, and durability to enhance safety and efficiency on the road. Visit our website at agrieyes.com to get your hands on this incredible product.
Partner with AgriEyes. Be successful.